right to left? You're going to have to give me graphics. Oh, is it right?
We can go left or
right. The breeze is from the right. Why would I go left?
This is Paul Bradshaw and his, as you can see, it's a Super Turbo Cub.
I was going to anyway. No, I'm kidding.
And actually, this is an old World Models plane.
Yeah, brought this.
You want me to hold that while you start it up and warm it up?
But yeah, this is the old World Models Super Cub.
There you go. Just thought I'd turn it on.
Minor details.
Minor details.
Yeah, the great thing about this plane is it flies slower than the speed of thought. It is just really gentle. It's a gentle giant, it really is.
Take it out to the right.
And you saw how effortless that was. Half flap thing just lifts off the ground and that's it.
Oops, sorry guys.
Spotter called it.
Yeah, I did.
And that's it.
Flying the other way, aren't we?
Whichever way you want to go, it doesn't matter.
Follow your lead.
This thing will just
That's glad I told you.
cruise around all day long like this.
I'm flying
It's very
so slow
nice.
to the truck.
There you go. You realize how hard it is to actually. How exciting. He finally connected with it. He was never so Now is it alone?
Never to be seen again.
It's bump out.
That snap your head, Carl?
Goatee bear gonna jump out with the stairs.
Yeah. Well, there's a thermal right there.
That's how big the plane is. It's massive. Paul is the pilot of this fine machine. He's kind of cruising along the ridge line there looking for some thermals. That's what Paul likes to do. He just takes the plane out and just cruises it around with half flaps.
That was it. That was good. I was flying. I'm going to land.
Landing.
I'm coming in from left, right.
Left to right landing.
So quiet. You'd never believe how big the plane was. And there she goes, a little knife edge. It's a Super Turbo Cub. Strutting her stuff.
Oh, don't feel bad. I have to buy a new wing. You see Ken Nuggy? We were flying along.
Now, Paul, I know she's like Dragundo, but a cub at heart, though. I mean, she likes rudder in the turns, or
Say again?
she likes rudder in the turns.
Yeah, it's always mixed.
So you're always coordinating that turn, get that tail lifted up a little bit.
Yeah.
Half from the left.
How long a flight time can you get out of her normally?
If you fly it around like this, 15 minutes.
Oh, jeez. And what is this? Is what 12S?
12S, 5500. Yeah.
You said 5500s?
Yeah.
Okay. And she got another one of those big giant axi motors up front.
It's not a giant. Well, let's see. This is a Hacker. This is an A60, a really old Hacker, probably 10 years old.
Really?
Yeah. With a gas prop on it, a 2610.
Gas prop. She got a hacker in there. What size
It's an
ESC?
old let's see, A60.
Yep.
A60.
Hacker A60. Good
18.
motor.
So
Okay.
that defines the wind. It's like 149 kV. 12S.
149 kV.
Yeah. Yeah. 12S.
Yeah.
It's a 2610 gas prop.
Okay.
2510.
And the speed controller in there is a.
Oh, a
What?
really old HV110. A really old HV110. Probably the last working one in existence.
Is that so?
Well, it's got to be 10, 11, 12 years old.
Yeah.
Tell them where to go, huh?
Although the plane it's easily up into 1,000 flights, but I don't know where.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It really is. It's a joy of flight.
So Jerry, look beyond the Cub. Look at that huge. There's a group of birds soaring.
I
There's
see him.
100 of them over there.
Get any of that?
Probably a little far away for me to be comfortable. Ooh, there's one right there. Now I'm dead stick. Let's see if we can maintain. Nope, not gonna happen. It's gone. Is it the bubble? Think I can get back to the field dead stick from this?
So Paul just went dead stick. He saw a bunch of birds circling, thinking, well, there's a thermal. Now, here's where he's at. So, let's see if he gets there. He's still dead stick. And that sound you hear in the background is a sound module. You have to give it some throttle?
Yeah.
So close yet so far. Oh.
You got a lot of got an elevator. Something like that.
A little bit, yeah. That's pretty good. We need a remote control fire truck with flashing lights to go after these planes on the end of the runway. Okay, here's the 3D portion of the flight.
All right, here's the 3D. And yes, she does in fact hover.
Okay, that's it.
Wow. That's it. Just a tease. Here it is. And there it goes. All right. And here landing.
Landing.
You got it. Now at the very end.
That's scale. I mean, Cub's ground loop.
That's scale.
That's scale ground loop.
Come down.
Yeah. All right. I know, right? So, what's the wingspan again on this bad boy?
144.
144. Wow, she weighs in at a whopping.
26, 7, 8 pounds, something like
Oh, could we say like 10 pounds wing loading, if that, or whatever it is? Have you ever figured out the
that. I haven't.
wing cube loading on this thing? It's probably ridiculous.
On a big lift day, you can shut the motor down and thermal if there's stuff going on.
Oh man, that's awesome. All right, the world models, giant scale, probably what, 1/3 scale?
It's third scale.
Yeah, third scale.
And I
Pipe.
think they still make it. I know they make it in a clipped wing version. A lot of guys put 100cc gas motors in them.
Oh wow.
And you see them at Joe Nall with floats on them all the time.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
It's pretty popular as a clipped wing.
It sure is. Well, it's a beautiful model, Paul. Great flying again, brother.
Thanks.
All right, we're in St. George, Utah, September 2017.